Medical assessments for former mine workers are underway in the West Rand as part of the Gauteng Department of Health's Ex-Mine Workers Outreach Program. This comes after the department, in collaboration with Medical Bureau for Occupational Diseases and other stakeholders, embarked on an initiative to trace ex-mine workers who may qualify for Social Security and medical surveillance benefits due to work-related illnesses. Now, earlier today, Provincial MEC for Health and Wellness, Nomantu Nkomo Ralihoko, visited Carletonville Hospital to evaluate the status of the medical checkups.
I want to say to the ex-miners, this government, which is the government that cares, and now siza, as I always say, that siza. It's a project that we like it, that we are coming to them to assist them. They didn't know where to go. Now the Department of Health is there to assist them.
Namhlanje owengamele umnyango wezempilo eGauteng uNomantu Nkomo Ralihoko uvakashele isibhedlela saseCarletonville. Uthi inhloso ukulandela nokusiza abasebenzi ababesebenza ezimayini abangase bafaneleke ukuthola izinzuzo zezenhlalakahle kanye nokunakekela kwezokwelapha ngenxa yezifo ezihlobene nomsebenzi abasithole ngesikhathi besezimayini.
What we have realized that most of them, they were not able to get their benefits. It's either they were not well or something happened, then they had to leave the system. But now we're bringing them back to ensure that bayakhona ukuthi bafumane those services that are supposed to be rendered to them. Abanye bafumane nama benefits wabo that are supposed to get those benefits. Abanye bayagula, and what we have been testing from them, you are screening even in the TB, and we are really happy that most of them, they are happy that they are being tested and they discovered on time now that they have some diseases that must be treated by the Department of Health. Our worry when we started this project was that most of them, they go home in their areas where they come from, whether is it in Eastern Cape or other provinces, sick, and when they arrive at home, they infect other people that are around them, especially on TB and other diseases that are easily transmitted to other people that are next to you.
Umnyango wezempilo eGauteng usuqala uhlelo lokuhlolwa kwezempilo kwalabo abake basebenza ezimayini eWestern District. Lolu hlelo luwuhlelo oluqhutshwa umnyango ngokubambisana neMedical Bureau for Occupational Diseases kanye nabanye ababambi iqhaza. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, Kingunobuhle wakwaNdlovu, ngibika ngise-West Rand.
Moving along with the story, the Disability Forum has welcomed the introduction of Ex-Mine Workers Outreach Program, hoping for it to yield good results. Forum's chairperson, Petros Kgatelopele, who is also a former mine worker, shares his views.
Usihlalo wenhlangano yabakhubazekile abalimale ezimayini ubese nxenxa uhulumeni ukuba balekelele kulezi ingqinamba ababhekene nazo. Uthi sekuphela iminyaka belinde izinzuzo zabo, uthi banethemba ukuthi kulokhu bazolithola usizo.
We say to the mines today, we as the organization of people with disabilities, they must try to do something for people with disabilities, because really, this is hectic. This is, I think you are the fourth people to come here in Merafong. And then say, no, the mines are does not helping us. So the mines from now, I for one, as the chairperson of people with disabilities, I say enough is enough. They must help people with disabilities. They must not just sign registers and taking photos, making gains for themselves. They must please help us.
Usihlalo wabakhubazekile owalimala naye esebenza emayini okuyimanje uphila nokukhubazeka uchazile kabanzi ngokukhubazeka kwakhe wathi ulahlekelwe yiso futhi akasaboni nakahle.
Disability mining Western deep levels ke transfer la Elands Rand, where I did find my accident thing, and then on my disability. I'm epileptic today because of the accident, and then I'm blind and partial blind on the left eye. And then the thing today, what I'm concerned about, but haba fiwa di compensate ka lebaka la hore na ba hiriwa ke kana kwela part ba hiriwa ka di passport, and now haba fiwi next.
Ungomunye abebezobhalisa ohlelweni olusungulwe umnyango wezempilo kamafuphi ubesenxusa nje uhulumeni ukuthi alisukumele lolu daba. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, Kingunobuhle wakwaNdlovu, ngibika ngise-West Rand.